Assalamu alaikum. Let us start our PPSC, FPSC and CSS MCQ series. So the first question is, choose the appropriate word for one who is not sure of God's existence. So option A is agnostic, option B is arbitrator, option C ascetic, and option D bohemian. Option A is for those who is not sure God's existence. Option B is arbitrator, which means an independent person or body officially appointed to settle a dispute. Option C, ascetic, which means a person which is characterized by self-discipline and is used for religious reasons. Next option is bohemian. It is a practice of unconventional lifestyle. Question 2. Choose the appropriate part of speech for the underlined word. In this sentence, the melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. So it is noun. Question 3. If you have a finger in the pie, you are dash in something. You are involved in something. It is a proverb or idiom. Choose the correct analogy. Fugitive, to flee, and dash. So option B is the correct option. Braggart, boost. You can search other options also and see the meaning of those. Question 5. Choose the correct antonym of enigma. The correct antonym of enigma is mystery. Question number 6. Choose the correct synonym of abstruse. The synonym of abstruse is concealed. Question 7. Pick out the most appropriate pair to fill in the blanks in the same order to make the sentence meaningfully complete. When it comes to backstabbing, a quill dash be dash than a dagger. A option must better, B option will superior, C option can dead lawyer, D option may sharper. Will can be dead lawyer than a dagger. So option C is the correct option. Question 8. Replace the phrase underline in sentence below with suitable option that best keeps the meaning of original sentence. Jet engines go to the opposite direction upon touchdown. Option B is the correct option, which is opposite is reverse. Question 9. Find out appropriate preposition to fill in the blank. The debate was dash the following week. Adjourned for. The debate was adjourned for the following week. Question number 10. What punctuation mark is used before a list of names or an enumeration of particulars? So dash is not correct option. Option B, colon, is the best option which can be selected. Punctuation mark. Question number 11. Which of the following spelling is correct? Option A, it is not correct. Option B is the correct option. AGGRANDIZE, which means you increase. Question 12. What is the meaning of proverb idiom to be at loggerheads? It means to be in strong disagreement. Option B is the correct option. Question number 13. It is very important MCQs. Higher Than Hope by Fatma Mir is a biography of. It is a biography of Nelson Mandela. Question number 14. Where were the 2018 Winter Olympics, February 2018, inaugurated? So these are inaugurated in Korea. So option C is the correct option. You can see here 2019 are in Abu Dhabi and 2020 are in Tokyo, Japan. Question number 15. The spherical shape of a small drop of rain is due to surface tension. Question number 16. Which of the following is not a full member of the United Nations? Palestine is not a full member of United Nations. Question number 17. It also emerges in CSS. Capital of Bhutan is, which means, what is the capital of Bhutan? It is Thimphu. Question number 18. HTML is an abbreviation of. HTML is abbreviation of Hypertext Markup Language. Question number 19. In 2015, Iran and P5 plus 1 agreed to an arrangement to resolve the difference pertaining to nuclear proliferation. What was the formal name of the agreement? The formal name of that agreement is Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. Question number 20. Which is the oldest barrage of Pakistan? The oldest barrage of Pakistan is Shakkar. Question number 21. Which of the following cities lies in the Nile River? So, Khartoum is the city which lies in Nile River. Question 22. Code name of operation of killing Osama bin Laden in Abbottabad in 2013 was Nuclear Spear. Question number 23. The latest in the series of anti-militancy operation in Pakistan is Raddul Fasad. Question number 24. A British Pakistani who has recently won the Women's Prize of Fiction is. So the name of that British Pakistani is Kamila Shamsi was the name of that British Pakistani. Question number 25. Hummer Lake is located in. This lake is located in Kambar Shahadat Kot district. Question number 26. How many districts are in Sindh? There are 29 districts are in Sindh, 36 in Punjab, 34 in KPK and 26 in Balochistan. Question 27. Wakhan, a narrow strip of Afghanistan, separates Pakistan from Tajikistan. Question number 28. How many stanzas are there in Pakistan national anthem? So there are 3 stanzas in Pakistan national anthem. Question 29. Gorakh Hill Station is in which district? It is in Dadu. Question number 30. What was the oldest name of PIA? The oldest name of PIA is Orient Airways. Question number 31. In which city of Sindh the famous Hathidar is located? So it is located in Shikarpur. Question 32. The recent Commonwealth Head of Government meeting CHOGM was held in April 2018 in which city? This meeting was held in London, so that is not option here. So option D is the correct option. Question number 33. Which of the following is the largest peninsula in the world? So Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world. Question number 34. What is the covered area of Sindh in square kilometers? The Sindh has 1,40,914 kilometers square area. Question 35. How many official working languages are recognized by the United Nations? So official languages are 6. Question number 36. The Swan River flows near Rawalpindi. Question number 37. Name the part of the eye on which images are focused like the film in a camera. So option A is the correct option, the retina. Question number 38. On earth, moving body ordinarily comes to rest by itself because of forces of frictions. Option B is the correct option. Question number 39. Which is the average adult pulse rate? It is between 60 to 100. Question number 40. Which of the following colors has longest wavelength? Yellow color has longest wavelength. You should know Vibgeuer series. Question number 41. Monsoon are names of rain. Question number 42. Which of the following is the only river that flows both north and south of equator? So that river name is Congo. Question 43. How many acres are there in 1 hectare? So it is MCQs of previous paper. So 447 acres are in 1 hectare. Question 44. The AIDS is the virus called HIV. Question human immunodeficiency virus. Question number 45. The largest latitude circle on the earth is Arctic Circle. Question number 46. What is the mean by equinox? It means day and night are equal. Question number 47. Which of the following can be used to focus sunlight? Convex lenses are used to focus sunlight. Question number 48. How many planets are in solar system?